So hi everybody and welcome back. This is C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 60 and in this video we are starting again an exercise, and in this exercise I have provided some information which we will use in our exercise, so we have not to create all from scratch. So let's get started. Here I have a short description what we are going to do. Let's read it. A group of persons have a choice to select books or games. So this group of persons I have provided here as an enum class, and we have these persons here. These are the names, and they can select now. You can see books or games. In this case I provided also the books here and the games, but this time I used an array. Here I used an enumeration, so careful what we have. And then after selecting a book, they can select a book color. So if they select a book, they can select here a book color. And then after selecting a game, they can select a game platform. So, or because they cannot select both here, I said or here on top. So one of them they have to select, and after they're selecting a game, they can select this game platform. And a platform is something like PC, PlayStation, Xbox, so where you can play the game actually. That's a platform. So, and that's the selection part. And then what you have to, after they select it, print out all their selections, which means let's make up example. For example, Maggie selects the book Jockey and Mogi. Then she got the option to select a book color, for example red. And then you have to go to the next person. For example, Levin selects here a game Striker. Then he can select here any platform, for example PC, and so on. And then you have to print out all the selections on screen. And there is one more step. Check how many persons have selected the same book or game. So then we have to check, of course you can check on screen how many they have selected the same thing, but check here in code. Let's write here in code and print it out. Let's make here an additional, so because here of course you can check it also. And let's rewrite this and print out the person's names. All right. So what I mean with that is, first of all, you check how many persons have selected the same book or game. For example, let's make here a fast example. Maggie selected Jockey, and then the color red, and Levin, let's say, selected also Jockey, and then also the color red. So these persons would be the same. They have the same selections, but not the same name, of course. But then you have just print out their names that they have selected and give a info they have selected the same thing. And that's it for this example. I hope it's not too complicated, because here we make not any calculations. We will work with numbers because we are using here arrays, but not to calculate something, more to select something. And that's it. And yeah, I hope this exercise is not too difficult. And the next step is, what you have to do is, like all time, create a plan in comments which you can turn into code. And don't forget, just do it on your own, and you can make many mistakes as much as you like, because making mistakes is normal. The important part is to reach the goal, which means just to solve these mistakes. And with that said, good luck. And of course later I will solve this again here in several videos. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments like all time. I try to answer them. And bye for now, and good luck.